To track specific resources, whether it's bamboo that you wanted to cut down or even crickets, all you need to do is simply go ahead to the map and simply filter everything out until you get to the correct place. So the easiest way to do that is simply open up the map, and then from here on the side you should see this flower icon. Simply select it like so, and this allows you to track a solo target. So now all you need to do is simply select the item that you wish to specifically track. So for example, you want to track white ash. So simply select that like so. And on the map, it should show you locations of where specifically the white ash is. If you want to track, say for example, a dog, it will show you exactly where the dog is. And you can go ahead and select one from your map and then select track. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and follow the map to exactly where it is, and you can start killing it or whatever it is that you want to do with that specific item. And so that's how you can track specific resources in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.